This is Sean. I'm the software division CTO at Master. Today, I'm very glad to introduce Master OTA for you. Let's take a look at today's agenda. First, I will introduce what is what is OTA and why need OTA. This is in the first topic I introduce, and then I will introduce Master IIoT platform and the multi-tenant architecture, and then I will introduce OTA page register because for device to register one by one to the OTA would be better to have a tool, to have a page register tool for the convenience. And then I'll introduce the monitor and the manage multi-site device via RESTful API. And then the next, I will introduce multi-site batch device management OTA. And then I'll introduce a no-rate like flow-based programming. This is for the event alarms. And then I'll introduce the license information for the OTA and also for the demo system requirements for the OTA. And then I'll do a OTA live demo to see what we can provide for the Master OTA. Then I will introduce what is OTA and why need the OTA. In the industrial environment, we will require some of the project we see required interactive monitoring dashboard and a map to show the device status, signal strength for the wireless router, the serial router. Signal strength is also important, and also location of all device deployed. Because in the some of device may be in different multi-sites, in the one field site and also in the second field site. So it's good, better to have a tool, to have a dashboard, to have interactive to monitor all the field site 1, device in the field site 1, and also in the device in the field site 2. So it's multi-site device management, and also to have the map to show all the device status, signal strength. So the first thing is important for the OTA. And then the next important is to prevent downtime, because we can through the OTA we can know the signal strength is too low, or we can monitor the temperature is too high or not. If the signal strength is too low, we can do some prevention to prevent the downtime, and we can prevent the device downtime in advance. And also we can calculate from the data if the some of the device the signal is always too low, so we can know maybe the signal the device some errors will have some errors, so we can do the prevent device downtime. Or we notice the temperature, the device temperature is too high, so we can do some prevention to prevent the downtime. And next important, and the third important thing is we require in project, you may require to monitor and manage a multi-site device real-time status. For example, we need to monitor the device the CPU information, RAM, flash size in real-time usages. This is very important to monitor real-time all the devices usage. Later we have more introduction about this part. And then it also important to have multi-site batch device firmware upgrade scheduling, and also batch device configuration update via cellular 4G or 5G cellular or way interface. So that means in a OTA can help us to provide the multi-site device firmware upgrade function. This is also important, not just inside LAN upgrade or configuration update. It can be done in a WAN, or it can be done in a multi-site through WAN or 4G 5G, 4G, 5G cellular through this way. So these are the 4 important reasons why we need OTA and what is OTA. And then the next slide, this is we provide ThinkMaster OTA. This is OpenStreet provide device management over the air. ThinkMaster OTA. We in the ThinkMaster OTA we provide the interactive marketing dashboard and a map shows the status, signal strength, and the location of all WR or wireless router and also SCB smart city box series. All the smart city box series are deployed. And also in ThinkMaster OTA, we support edge device registration and also configuration update. And also in ThinkMaster OTA can help to save alerts on critical event to prevent the downtime. For example, if some devices signal is too low or some device temperature is too high, we can send alerts and also can help the administrator to prevent the downtime. And also, we support OTA batch device firmware update schedule function. And also, we can support over 10,000 nodes device management. For the license, right now we provide up to 1,000 nodes license right now. This is the dashboard for the OTA right now. We provide for the dashboard for the OTA. Then the supported products for the OTA, we can see all the SCB, including 1,200 series and also SCB 400 are supported. And all the WR series, including 300 series, are also supported. And also you can see from all the power line, you can see the SCB, this IIoT gateway and the computer, this SCB are supported. And also wireless cellular router are supported. All the routing switch 329, for example, WR329 are supported as well. And also for the edge computer, EC series are also supported for the OTA. So through the ThinkMaster OTA, these we can manage all the SCB series and also all WR series products. This is the ThinkMaster IIoT platform. These are all the smart gateway and the edge computer series, SCP and also WR series. You can see all the device information can be through the device management here. This is the OTA, so we can use the MQTT and REST the gateway and also edge computer. We support MQTT and the REST API to pass all the device information to the OTA. This is device management cloud. Here. Also, all the communication here is through the latest TLS encryption and also X.09 authentication to protect the data transmission. And also this year we'll provide the AI function for the machine learning. It will include the Spark and also the TensorFlow in the next release for the ThinkMaster OTA. To make sure all the dashboard, all the data is to be analyzed well before display to the dashboard. And this is the application topology. When you use it's very common in the industrial application. You can see in the OTA we can in the field side 1 and also device inside the field side 1 and also device inside the field side 2 can be managed through the OTA, and also it's very easy to manage through all the mobile devices or also PC notebook as well. It's very convenient to can be managed multi-site device anywhere and also anytime, and also it's quite very secure because we apply the latest TLS encryption and also X.509 authentication to protect the data transmission. And also we apply the end-to-end VPN technology in this topology. Also welcome to see our demo site for the ThinkMaster and the ThinkMaster OTA. These are live demo sites. And this I'm going to introduce the ThinkMaster OTA multi-tenant architecture. You can see different tenant, different tenant A and also tenant B. different tenant can have different projects. We provide multi-tenant architecture in the Master OTA architecture. So different tenant can have project A, project B. Tenant B also can have tenants project C and also project D. Different provide a multi-tenant or multi-projects for each of the tenants. Okay, each user inside the project can have its own dashboard. So this is a multi-tenant architecture for the Master OTA. For different project, for the different project management, you can different tenant cannot see one tenant cannot see the other tenant's device. And also, project A cannot see project B's device. This is multi-tenant architecture. And this is the example how do we add a device to the OTA? It's a device management, and to add a device to copy the access token to device, and then it's done to the you can see it's done. It's upload to the OTA already. So it's a single process to add one device at a time to the OTA to create a new thing. And if you have a customer have hundreds of devices want to add to the OTA at one time, we also provide a page register this tool for convenience. For example, if we have hundreds or tens of devices we want to add to the OTA, we can use this tool. It's OTA page is ready to use tool, OTA page register, and then we can register 100 devices at one time. It's more the convenient tool to do the page registration for OTA. Then this is the OTA device information we show in the dashboard. In the dashboard right now we show all the model name, MAC address, and also firmware version, RSSI signal strength, and also less connection time, less activity time, and also serial number as well. Also, you can in this map you can see the map shows the device is online or offline, is warning status in different colors respectively. If the device is online, it will shows in green color, and then if the device is offline, it will shows in the red color in the map. And also, if the device is in warning status, for example, is RSSI signal is too low, and then we will show it in orange color in the map. For example, here we click device in a map. For example, orange color device here, and you can see the device, zoom in the device to check the warnings to see the warning details here. And also these warnings can be sent through email to the administrator. So you can see the device here in all the RSSI signal, all the device information here, and also you can see the signal strength here, and also all the warning message for this device. So this is device view detailed information for the OTA. Then I'm going to introduce the monitor. We provide the monitor and manage multi-site devices via RESTful API. We can do the OTA. We can monitor device CPU, RAM, flash, real-time usage, and also we can manage device LTE, Ethernet, and also serial time zone through the RESTful API. And also, it's very important. These information are very important for the cybersecurity because we can do the early detection for the system process and also network monitoring reporting. So this is very important for the early detection for the cybersecurity. And also, we have the AI engine inside for the next version. So we will provide the machine learning to ensure the low false positives for the early detection for the cybersecurity attack. So this is all the monitor and manages multi-site devices. We can monitor device GPU, RAM, flash, real-time usage, and also help. This information also help us to protect the if we have a cyber attack, we can get the early detection for the cyber attack. And then the next slide will introduce OTA is multi-site batch. We provide batch configuration and also reboot OTA functions. So here we can drag and drop a configure file to here and then we can select, we can group settings to different, to the multiple devices, the page configuration. Of course, these can be the inside. It can be in this device. Can be in different field sites. Field site A also device in the field site B also can do the page configuration, group settings, and do the reboot and also configuration. This is reboot function, and this is config update. And then this slide introduce how do we do the multi-site page firmware upgrade scheduling. In here we can select three. For example, we select 3 devices here, and then we select desired date, the time we want to do the firmware upgrade. So we can do the firmware upgrade at this time. So this is the multi-site page firmware upgrade functions we provide in OTA. And then this is the route map we support in OTA. We can, this is a moving vehicles. We can display the bus route and also bus speed on the map, shows on the map. Also the route map. Of course, we support like Google Map, OpenStreet, and also many other maps we also support it. Then this is the event alarms we support in IoTA. The event alarms we support emergency alarm, RSSI signal alarm, and also device online, offline alarm, and also speed limit alarm. And in the alarm details, we support time, originator, type, severity, and also status. Also, we support the email notification for these alarms. In the OTA, we provide no-relay-like flow-based programming. It's very convenient for the customer to add alarm or change the alarm without any coding required or any upgrade required. It's very easy to change alarm rules by using the no-relay-like flow-based programming. This is an example how do we do the alarm rule change. We import and drop RSSI alarm JSON file and also speeding alarm JSON files to the OTA, and we can apply these alarms to the OTA. This slide introduces how do we do the how do we change and also add the RSSI alarm through the alarm rule. This is OTA alarm rule modifications, speeding alarm, how to change the speeding alarm by using the rule chain or using the alarm rule. And also how to change the value for RSSI alarm. This is the how to modify through the no-relay-like flow-based programming. You can just change it without any coding. Right? And also this is an example how to change how to add the RSSI alarm rules. It's very convenient to drag drop a rule chain above to root rule chain, and then select RSSI alarm and click add, and then we'll add RSSI alarm rules. And this is an example how to add speed limit alarm rule, and by using the rule chain used inside the OTA. Then this slide introduces the how do we do the test over the 10,000 nodes device management. This is a simulation for 10,000 nodes load test in the AWS. This is doing the AWS cloud to do the test for the performance to simulate 10,000 nodes device. Response time is average is 50 milliseconds. Maximum is 200 milliseconds. So this is the test we've done for over 10,000 nodes device management. But right now we support 10,000 nodes license. This is all the maps we supported. We are not only support the Google Map, we also support the Tencent map and also OpenStreet map and also image map. So you can see this is also these maps are also all built in inside the Master OTA. And then this is the license information and also system requirements. The license for the trial version we support 5 nodes right now, and for limited to 3 months. This is for trial version. The trial version, the system requirement for trial version is the CPU is i5, Intel i5 4-core, and also RAM is at least 16 gigabytes DDR3, and also at least 512G free space for storage. And then you can use this system to install trial version or trial version. And then when you install the trial version, you can have a free license for 5 nodes and 4 months. License you can choose. We provide 50 nodes license, 100 nodes license, also 250 nodes license, 500 nodes license, and also 10,000 nodes license. This is for the license information and also system requirements for the coverage. This is the ThinkMaster online demo site. This you can use this QR code or log in or connect to this website using the following username OpenStreet and OpenStreet 101. You can log into the you can see the smart environmental control room live demo here. You can also log into OTA device management system. This is also the live demo site. You can see by using the username OpenStreet at OpenStreet.eu, and also password is the same as smart environment control room, the OpenStreet 101. So you can see 2 online live demo. Now I'm going to introduce our WR316. This is our design for field side wireless fiber is plus PoE communication. So this is also support by the also can use the OTA to do the device management over the air. So in this 316 GPS, we can see all the ERPS redundancy and also supported ring failure to LT redundancy, also dual SIM redundancy, and also this is VRP redundancy. Also certification for the backside EN50121H4 is supporting this device. And the selling point for the 316 key selling point is support single radio, IoT or Wi-Fi, and also 4 giga support, and also PoE capability for 4 ports for AF or AT, and up to 120 watts PoE budget. Cybersecurity and also redundancy are supported. For layer 2 function management are also route design with a railway wayside standard, and also wide temperature operating temperature range design. This is the application for the wide-side wireless PoE. As I just introduced, it provide the wireless PoE and also NEMA TS2 compliance LT F4 supported. Also PoE AF80 supported. Also ring function are supported supported. So you can see in this application, you can see this is a redundancy for ERPS, and also you can use the LT to connect to or OTA, Master OTA to do a device management. And also this device can be, this is field side 1, for example, and also this device can be in the field side 2. So both devices can be managed and also monitor all the information to the OTA, as we just introduced. And then I'm going to introduce this is WR224 and 222 OT NB IoT router. This is very slim size, the new WR series for the 224 and also 222. You see, this also can be can be managed. This device can also be managed by OTA, device management. So right now, I'm going to do a demo for the ThinkSmart OTA. Okay. So this is right now. I already log into. You are also welcome to log in our demo site. So for the QR code I just introduced. So if you once you have logged into the demo site for OTA, you can see this dashboard. For this dashboard, you can see these are all the for this part, you can see all the device information. Right now, it's connected to our OTA. This is in the different This is a multi-site. It's just one site. So you can check all the devices here. All the devices you can see they are W222, and also you can see or also SCP. Right now is also connected to our OTA. So you can see right now you can see check all the last connection time, also last activity time, and also all the serial number, all the as a signal here. Okay. So for the next page, so right now have only 50 devices are managed by the OTA. Only 50 devices right now. From here, you can also check if we we can choose multiple devices to do the configure update. It doesn't matter the device in the field site 1 or field site 2. We can do we can drag and file to click to select file to upload. Then we can do the configuration update. It doesn't matter the device is the device is in the field site 1 or inside field site 2. For example, here. So this map here, I can show you later. Yeah, I'll check. For example, here, this device here. So we want to see more in detail information. You can see this is online, so it shows the green color, and there is no warning for this device. And also we can check for this device. We can see device here, all the signal strength is here, and also the warning information. You can see very clear for the warning information, which is warnings. This is as alarm, what the date and time, what happened, and also severity, okay, for the status. And also, we can also do the multiple choices. You want to do the reboot function for the devices. You can add this reboot function, and it will ask you to make sure you want to reboot 2 devices. So this is a page configuration. Also, it's multi-site. It doesn't matter device, the field site in which field site. So it's multi-site management. Also, you can see from this map. On this map, you can see all the devices are located where the location. Also, use a different color to show the status, online, offline, or its warning status. So it's very clear from this map. And also, this is a raw map. So in the raw map, it's very convenient to see the bus, where the bus going for last 7 days or last hour where the route is. So it's very convenient to see the raw map. Although you can see also they see the location speed as well from this map, the bus route map. And also, this is the event warnings. Event warnings, you can see all the devices. Right now is 50 devices connected to the OTA, so all the device warnings are here. So you can see all the warnings for WR322, and also even all the devices are speeding alarm, access alarm, or here, also severity. Yeah. So right now, it's clear to see totally have 50 devices right now are monitored by the OTA. And then this is RSSI history. We can see all the monitor device, the RSSI strength in different colors. So if the RSSI signal is too low, or we can do some preventions, error prevention to prevent the downtime. And this right now, the real time right now is the last day, so we can change the time to the for example, we can change to the 7 days or 30 days to see the different routes, or to see all the routes for the past 7 days or or last day. So right now we change the time, the time to see to 1 hour, because it is a live more easy to see the device information. Also, as it's less than 1 hour. We change it to the 5 hours. You can see 5 hours. The warnings happened during the 5 hours. Okay, or the signal strength during 5 hours. The route last 5 hours. So this is a global change. And also, of course, you can change the RSSI in. You can use a different parameter to set. You can change. It doesn't need to be global settings for the real time. You can also check in different time for different alarm or different history. So let's go back to the PowerPoint. So today we just finished today's device management over the air OTA today, and the next IoT webinar will be on June 13 for security and redundancy. So you are welcome to register.